Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Ludo King crashing the second you tap the icon or closing itself before the board even loads? Here's the fix. First, go ahead and swipe up and close the Ludo King completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check your free space. Since the app crashes on launch far more often when the storage is critically low. Free up room by offloading a few unused apps if storage is tight. If storage looks fine and it's still crashing, then press and hold the Ludo King button, tap remove app, delete app, then tap delete to reinstall it completely. After reinstalling it, go to the App Store and search for Ludo King, tap on it and then tap get to reinstall it completely fresh. After reinstalling, go to your settings again, then go back to general, go to software update and install any pending iOS update. Since Ludo King's own support team confirms device performance is a common factor behind these crashes. So all you gotta do is check storage, delete and reinstall fresh from App Store, update iOS, Ludo King opens without crashing, and that's it. Subscribe for more Ludo King fixes.